Do you think your vision can't improve because you're over 60? Many people think cataracts are inevitable. But the truth is, your body has natural mechanisms that can still help you regain visual clarity without surgery or invasive treatments. For years, we've been led to believe that vision loss is irreversible and that only surgery can stop it. But today, you'll discover that there are real, natural, and proven ways to restore your vision at home without medications or expensive procedures. This video doesn't offer miracle solutions. Here I'll share simple strategies, backed by science and real-life experiences, that can help you gradually improve your vision and feel more confident, independent, and well-being in your daily life after age 60. The good news is that you're not doomed to see worse with each passing year. Your vision can improve if you learn to consciously care for it. And that's more important than many people realize. It all starts with small, but powerful decisions. If your eyes are irritated, the light bothers you, or you can't read like you used to, stay. Because what you're about to learn can change not only your vision, but also your quality of life, your independence, and the way you experience the passage of time. Is losing eyesight normal after 60? As the years go by, many people notice that their vision becomes blurrier, that light is more bothersome, or that they can't read as they used to. Although this is common, it doesn't mean it's normal, or that there's no solution. Over time, the lens of the eye loses flexibility and transparency. Discomfort, blurred vision, dry eyes, or heaviness appear. And most people assume there's nothing they can do until surgery seems the only option. Don Ernesto, 67, stopped driving at night because the streetlights blinded him. Little by little, he abandoned simple activities like reading, embroidering, and using the phone. He thought it was part of aging until he discovered new ways to take care of his eyesight. Has something similar happened to you? Do you feel like you see less clearly than before, that your eyes tire quickly, or that your vision is no longer reliable? Then what you're hearing could be just what you needed to start recovering. This goes beyond eye health. It's about independence, dignity, and quality of life. When your vision deteriorates, it also affects your confidence, your mobility, and your way of relating to the world. But you can still take action. Your vision can still regenerate. Although it may not seem like it, your body retains the ability to regenerate even after 60. And your eyes are no exception. There are cells in the eye tissue that can be activated if they receive adequate nutrients, rest, and stimulation every day. The retina, optic nerve, and lens do not completely deteriorate with age. Their functionality can be maintained and even improved by strengthening the visual connections between the eye and the brain. And this is possible at any stage of life. One of the most interesting concepts is neurogenesis. It's the brain's ability to form new neural connections. And yes, it also occurs in older people. This regeneration includes the coordination between vision, attention, and perception of what you see. Additionally, science has shown that natural antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, can reduce oxidative damage to the eyes. These nutrients are found in foods you can easily consume at home, such as eggs, spinach, or broccoli. This is more important than you think, because it means you're not doomed to lose your vision. You can strengthen it, protect it, and keep it clear if you make conscious, consistent, and natural choices. Regeneration is not a myth. It's a real possibility. Stay. The best is yet to come. Because now you'll learn 5 natural habits you can start at home. They're not magic secrets, but they are powerful if you practice them consistently. Your eyesight may thank you more than you can imagine. 5 natural habits that can regenerate your vision. Here are 5 simple habits you can start today to take care of and improve your vision, naturally and from home. Habit 1. Nourish your view from the plate. These antioxidants protect the retina and filter blue light. They're found in green vegetables like spinach and kale, broccoli, and eggs. Consuming them regularly helps slow eye deterioration naturally after age 60. You can make green smoothies, make egg omelets, or include steamed broccoli in your lunches. There's no need to overcomplicate things. The key is consistency. Small nutritional changes yield real results if maintained with care and awareness. Habit 2. Exercise your visual focus. This exercise trains the lens to quickly switch from a close object to a distant one. It improves its flexibility and combats eye stiffness. Just 2 minutes a day helps maintain visual agility even in old age. Extend your arm with your thumb up, focus on it, then shift your gaze to a distant point. Repeat 10 times. It's a simple but effective exercise. And it can help you read better, recognize faces, or see more clearly. Habit 3. Relaxing eye massages. Use clean fingers and make gentle circular movements on the bones surrounding your eyes. This stimulates circulation, relieves eye strain, and promotes deep rest, especially if you use screens or read for prolonged periods. Do this before bed or when you wake up. You can use almond oil or simply your hands. Inhale, exhale, and connect with yourself. This small gesture can have a huge impact on your visual and emotional well-being. Habit 4. Infusions that soothe your eyes. Plants like chamomile or green tea have anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the eyelids, they reduce redness, relieve irritation, relax the eye muscles, and provide natural antioxidants that help protect your eyes from daily strain. Prepare an infusion, let it cool, soak 2 cotton balls or sachets in it, and place them over your eyes for 10 minutes. It's a simple but deeply restorative ritual. Your eyes need rest too, and so do you. Habit 5. 20-20-20 rule for rested eyes. Every 20 minutes in front of a screen, look at something 6 meters away for 20 seconds. This rule prevents dryness, eye strain, and headaches. If you incorporate it into your routine, you'll see changes faster than you think. You may never have heard it before, but resting your eyes is just as important as exercising them. Set a visual reminder nearby and turn this habit into a daily self-care break. Your vision will thank you for it. Your inner world also affects your vision. You've seen how to take care of your eyes from the outside, now let's see how you can also heal them from the inside. What comes next may surprise you, because your emotions also directly influence your vision more than you imagine. Sadness, anxiety, or prolonged stress cause your eyes to dry out, lose focus, and fatigue more quickly. Therefore, it's also essential to take care of your inner well-being if you want to regenerate your eye health naturally. Guided meditations, conscious breathing, or peaceful walks in nature help calm the nervous system. And when your mind rests, your eyes do too. Seeing better starts with living better, from the inside out. This may seem small, but it makes a big difference. Can you imagine what your life would be like if you applied just one of these habits for 30 days? Maybe you could read without glasses again, or recognize faces effortlessly. You don't need to be perfect. What matters is getting started. Your body responds to care, not demands. And your eyes, even if they seem silent, have something to tell you when you listen to them with patience and love. Science and nature united. Vision can be rejuvenated naturally. It's not about going back to your 20s, but about seeing with greater clarity, confidence, and joy. Every little change adds up. And that can transform your daily experience after 60. Science gives you the foundation. Nature offers you the tools. But the choice is yours. You can continue waiting for your vision to worsen, or start regenerating it with small, real, and feasible actions from home. When you combine knowledge with conscious action, something changes. You are no longer a victim of time. You become the protagonist of your well-being. Regenerating your vision is not a fantasy, it's a possibility if you choose to start today. Your eyes aren't just organs. They're the gateway through which the light of the world enters. They reflect how you live, how you feel, and how you relate to others. Taking care of them is also a profound way of caring for your history and your future. And the most beautiful thing is that you still have time. You always have time. No matter your age or what you've been told. As long as you're alive, you can choose to look with more presence, less fear, and more hope. An ending to believe again. Don Andres, at 71, thought there was no turning back. That his tired eyes were the price of aging. But he applied these habits. And one day, while reading the newspaper without glasses, he smiled. Because he felt capable again. After years of avoiding the mirror, she looked at herself again with tenderness. She began to see details she had forgotten, the color of the trees, her granddaughter's smile, the clarity of the sunrise. Her vision changed, and so did her life. If this video gave you clarity or hope, subscribe. You'll receive more practical, natural, and emotional tips for taking care of your eye health after 60. Like if this message touched you. Share it with someone who, like you, wants to improve their eyesight without surgery or pills. Sometimes, all it takes is an idea to spark hope. You can be that inspiration for someone else. Tell me in the comments, which habit are you going to try first? Do you already practice any? Reading your experience may motivate others to begin this path of self-care and regeneration from home with small steps. Maybe you came looking for solutions and found that your body is still wise. That your eyes aren't failing you. They were just waiting for you to look at them with more attention, more tenderness, and a new intention. Thank you for staying this far. May your gaze be filled with clarity, may your steps feel firm, and may you never lose sight of what's most important, the light you carry within. You always have time to see with your soul again. See you in the next video to continue taking care of your health with awareness, calm, and hope.